Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang. This is the show where you watch me eat spicy things. And today I've got something from the USA. This is going to be the Nissin Hot and Spicy Firewalk Scorchin Shrimp. I think that's what it is. Scorchin. Burning. Memeing. Here's what it looks like. It definitely imparts a bit of heat, at least from the bowl I'm using. But yeah, it should be somewhat spicy. I'm hoping it's kind of more on the spicy end of the stick. It's been a while since I've had a mukbang that I've done that's been like real bad out of hell spicy. And maybe the peanut gallery over here would be kind enough to give me one of their patented ready, set, goes. All right. Can I get it ready, set, go?
Ready, set, go!
And there we go. Right off the bat, this one doesn't really have a broth whatsoever, which is fine. I'm totally down with brothless variety. Some people might complain about the noodle being too soft, but then again, the instructions mention to microwave it. So honestly, I like the texture of the noodle. I'm down with that. So far though, I'm mainly getting a kind of like an oiliness that I'm noticing. Getting a little bit of heat, but fire, no. It's got a little build to it, but I almost want to say the last one seemed spicier. And what's funny about that is this is supposed to be the one that's hotter. Like the first one was like rich and like some word to rip roaring rich pork. I can't remember what it was. But and then there's this one, which is the hot scorching shrimp, and then there's this like molten lava chicken, and that's supposed to be the hottest one. This is okay. It's building a bit. It's creeping up on it. I gotta say there's the heat, but the actual just like the taste, the flavor of this product, it's really lacking. I mean, I'm not gonna say it's bland, but personally, if you're gonna do a shrimp thing, I want a bright, strong flavor. Like tom yum, for example. This is really muted. However, you could add stuff to it. You know, you can take this and add a bunch of stuff to it. Oh, hi. Come on over. Let's see, can you see? Yeah, you can see the little girl next to me. This is my daughter, Miriam. Say hello, Miriam. How you doing? I'm eating spicy noodles. And Miles is back there, but he's like...
Hiya. I'm going to show you my tablet.
Oh.
Look, see, it's pink.
Mm-hmm.
It's my favorite kind of pink.
Now they're taking over the show. This is the part in the show where the children take over. So what did you do? What have you been doing today, Mimi?
I was playing flying games, and they're not playing today.
Oh.
They need to be unplayed, and we need to unlock them.
I see.
See? We need to unlock them.
What's your favorite food? Bread and cheese. What?
Because they are quiet.
See, this is where she comes over here and turns the volume up slowly until it's like full blast on the tablet. Isn't it?
Just like my tablet and Miles' tablet.
Miles, do you want to talk to the nice people on TV? No, you take that thing off my copy. What are you doing? Hi, Miles. You want to say hi to the nice people?
Look, hi to the next people.
There you go. They're in there.
I got this on my tablet.
You do?
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
This is going to be fun.
Is it fun?
I got number blocks on my pink tablet.
Don't touch that phone.
I got number blocks on my pink tablet. Let me have it on the
Does this make it an extra challenge when you're flanked by children?
Me too.
Yeah. the attack of the children.
Not at the same time.
You can say hi, Miles.
Yeah, Garrett. We love to play tag.
You do.
Garrett. We can play the number blocks.
They do have fun.
To be
You
quiet.
guys have lots of fun, don't you? Yeah, do you run around and play and act crazy? Run.
At night.
Well, you do it in the day. I think you should run around and race. Go get him! Go get him, Miles! Go get him, Mimi! Run! Run! As well.
Okay.
Where'd they go? They stopped running around and racing and acting crazy. I guess they're just not able to be super insane children lately. Actually, I think it's the tablets that kind of drain them of that. But today's Wednesday. He has like 2 online classes and she has none. Today is the 100th day of school. That means we're over halfway done with the school year. Isn't that insane? Well, it's not insane. If you don't have kids, you don't know what I'm talking about or any of that, you're like, why would that be insane? I'm like, I don't know. But that means summer's coming.
Basketball. It's a basketball.
I know, it's winter still, but
Basketball.
Well, done. So, how'd I do? How'd I do? Are you good?
Yeah.
Yeah? You didn't even look at the bowl to see if I ate it all.
Wow.
I ate it all, right? Yeah? Right? Okay. It's sufficiently spicy. My lips are burning. My throat's burning a bit. Yeah. Is this like top 10 stuff? No. I'd say I'd love it more if it had some veggies in it, like if it was dressed up a bit. Maybe I was thinking of putting some shrimp in it. I just wanted to do this one straight. Excuse me. Yeah, not bad. Definitely worth a try. There's 3 different varieties. So give them a try if you see them and you like spicy. But I'll do the next one probably next week. So, all right. Well, this has been Hans, and this has been
Mimi.
and this has been
Bye.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.